Welcome, dear viewers, to another exciting episode of exploring Brazil's iconic desserts. Today, we embark on a delectable journey to discover the heart and soul of Brazil's most beloved sweet treat, Brigadeiro. Get ready to indulge your senses with the history, preparation, and cultural significance of this mouthwatering delight. The making process of Brazilian dessert Brigadeiro is incredibly simple and requires only a few ingredients. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to preparing this delectable treat. Ingredients: 1 can, 14 ounces, of sweetened condensed milk. 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Chocolate sprinkles or other desired toppings for coating, optional. Instructions: in a non-stick saucepan, combine the sweetened condensed milk, unsweetened cocoa powder, and unsalted butter. Place the saucepan over medium heat and start cooking the mixture while continuously stirring to prevent burning. Stir until the ingredients are well combined. Keep stirring the mixture until it thickens and starts to pull away from the sides of the saucepan. This typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the Brigadeiro mixture has thickened to a fudgy consistency, remove the saucepan from the heat. Let the mixture cool to room temperature, and it will become easier to handle and shape. Grease your hands with a little butter to prevent sticking, then take small portions of the mixture and roll them into bite-sized balls, about 1 inch in diameter. If desired, roll the Brigadeiro in chocolate sprinkles or other toppings of your choice to coat the outside. Place the Brigadeiro on a plate or in small paper cups for serving. Enjoy your homemade Brigadeiro immediately or store them in an airtight container for later indulgence. That's it. With just a few simple steps, you can savor the rich and delightful taste of Brigadeiro, a beloved Brazilian dessert enjoyed by people of all ages. To fully appreciate Brigadeiro, we must first understand its rich history. Join me as we travel back to the 1940s, a time of economic hardship in Brazil, where a group of creative women concocted a brilliant solution to satisfy their sweet cravings despite the rationing of imported sweets. Thus, the Brigadeiro was born, named in honor of the charismatic Brigadier Eduardo Gomes. Brigadeiro is more than just a dessert, it's a cultural symbol in Brazil. Whether it's birthdays, weddings, or any joyous occasion, you'll find Brigadeiro adorning the tables and bringing smiles to people's faces. It's a sweet tradition that binds families and friends together. For many Brazilians, Brigadeiro is a cherished part of childhood memories. We'll explore how this delightful treat holds a special place in the hearts of the young and young at heart alike. Prepare to be amazed by the diverse and inventive Brigadeiro flavors out there. From traditional cocoa to exotic fruit infusions and even savory options, the creativity of Brazilian pastry chefs knows no bounds. It's not just Brazilians who love Brigadeiro. This iconic dessert has gained international popularity and is now savored by people all over the world. The pleasure of trying Brigadeiro for the first time. No Brazilian festival is complete without Brigadeiro. Whether it's Carnival, Festa Junina, or any other festivity, Brigadeiro plays a central role in spreading joy and celebration. Brace yourself for an unexpected twist. Brigadeiro isn't just limited to desserts, it's also used creatively in savory dishes. Let's explore how chefs are experimenting with Brigadeiro in unique culinary creations. Want to impress your guests with creative Brigadeiro presentation? I'll show you some simple yet impressive DIY ideas to elevate your Brigadeiro experience to the next level. With the soaring popularity of Brigadeiro, enterprising individuals have turned this sweet passion into thriving businesses. Prepare your taste buds for a luxurious treat. Gourmet Brigadeiro shops have emerged, offering high-end variations with premium ingredients, elevating Brigadeiro to new heights of indulgence. When in Brazil, Brigadeiro makes for a perfect gift or souvenir. Let's explore the creative packaging and gifting options available to share the sweetness with your loved ones back home. There you have it, the heartwarming journey of Brigadeiro, a dessert that embodies the spirit of Brazil and has won the hearts of people worldwide. Whether you're in Brazil or anywhere else, I hope you'll try this delightful treat and experience the joy it brings. This beloved Brazilian dessert has also become a source of pride for the nation. Brigadeiro offers a heartwarming experience that connects people to Brazil's vibrant culture. This delightful treat is cherished for its simplicity, rich flavor, and cultural significance. Often served at parties, family gatherings, and celebrations, Brigadeiro is a symbol of joy and togetherness in Brazilian culture. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, thank you, and keep exploring the culinary wonders of Brazil.